Seasons turn, winter's gone. The rain can finally fall. Springtime's got it all. It brings a new song every day. The cow jumped over the moon, but I have a silver spoon. Dream of holding you one day. But I can hear my mama say, love that child with all of your soul, but there's one hard thing that you need to know. If you really want your love to show, know when to hold on and when to let go. Seasons turn, she has your eyes. She walked and she learned to run, and now she's riding in the sun. A little girl once and now she's grown. I barely remember when she was in my arms, and then I know that she won't stay. And I can hear my mama say, love that child with all of your soul, but there's one hard thing that you need to know. If you really want your love to show, know when to hold on and when to let go. Seasons turn, summer's here. The roses are in bloom, but the lilacs fall too soon. It's when the road calls you away. I know this time of year is when I try to hide my tears, and I know that you can't stay.